In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Fire TV or Fire Stick remote is not working and it's flashing orange or yellow. So the first thing you want to do is actually unplug your Fire TV or Fire Stick from its power supply for 60 seconds, then go ahead and plug it back in. Now once you've done this, you may see a prompt on screen telling you a remote is not connected. So what you want to do with your remote is press and hold the home button for 10 seconds to see if it connects back to your Fire TV or Fire Stick. Now, if this doesn't work and you've tried repeatedly, no worries. What you want to do now is grab your phone and you want to download the Fire TV app on it. Now, in order for this to work, your phone has to be connected to the same Wi-Fi as your Fire TV or Fire Stick, and then you'll be able to use your phone as a remote. So with your phone as your remote, what you want to do is navigate over to Settings. Then once you're at Settings, scroll down, and we're going to select Remotes and Bluetooth Devices. Then select Amazon Fire TV Remotes and select Add New Remote. And then with your Fire TV remote that isn't working, press and hold the Home button on it for 10 seconds, and it should pair to it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.